In this video, we'll be discussing how to share fields inside of FieldAgent Web and FieldAgent Desktop. We'll discuss how to create and edit those shares, and then finally we'll show you how to remove a share from FieldAgent. So starting with FieldAgent Desktop, to add in a share for a field, there's several ways to do so. The first one is by using the share icon in the Fields menu on the left-hand side of the screen. It will share everything that's currently listed in that menu. So if you have all your fields listed, it'll share all those fields. If you want to narrow it down to a certain field or fields, you must then narrow down your search inside of the field menu to do so. Here I have just the one field listed. When I click on the share icon, it wants to confirm that I'm sharing the one field. I click on yes. I type in the email address of the person that I am sharing that field with, and then click on share. And they will receive an email shortly indicating that I've shared a field with them. Simple as that. Now, if I want to do a more permanent share with somebody, that was just a temporary share. It's good for 365 days. If I want to do more permanent share with somebody, I have to go into that field and click on the name of the field. And the one caveat with sharing a field permanently with somebody is they must be a FieldAgent user for that to take effect. So when you come into the field, this icon here at the top on the far right is share this field. You click on the icon. Again, you type in the name of the user, and then you click on share, and then that person will receive an email indicating that the field has been shared with them. It will actually show up in their field list at this point in time inside of FieldAgent Desktop or FieldAgent Web, and will be visible to them until you choose to turn off that share. The other shares, again, that are temporary are good for 365 days. Now, I did mention that we'll learn how to delete a share. You can only delete shares using FieldAgent Desktop. To do so, you go to the menu icon, into Settings, and then to Sharing. And it's going to list all the shares that you have. I have quite a few shares. Let's just get rid of this first one here. So I can click on Revoke. And it's going to ask who I want to revoke it from. So I'll revoke it from that guy. And then I click on Save. And click on Close. And that's all there is to it. Now, FieldAgent Web. We can certainly create shares inside of FieldAgent Web just like we did in the desktop app. The one thing about FieldAgent Web, when we create a share, these are going to be temporary and are only good for 365 days. And just like with the desktop app, we can click on the share icon from the Fields menu to share. Or, and that would share everything in your list, or we can go into a field. So we're only sharing the one field and click on the share icon there, type in the email address and click on share, and now the user has access to that field again for 365 days. You are unable to delete a shared field in FieldAgent Web. So if you've shared a field with somebody and you need to revoke that share at any point in time, you will need to do that through the FieldAgent Desktop application. If you have any questions related to sharing fields in desktop or web app, please feel free to reach us at support@sentera.com. You can telephone us calling 612-204-2000, or check out our support site by going to sentera.com and selecting support.